Hey guys, Trevor here with E-commerce Paradise. In this video, I'm going to review Leadpages. Leadpages is great if you want to get started with internet marketing and having a sales funnel. It's what I got started with just because it's so simple and easy to use. I really liked the layout, the configurations, and just the ease of use for setting up a simple squeeze page, bridge page, and sales page. So I used it for my first lead gen funnel for about the first year, and it worked great. I had about a 65% conversion rate on the squeeze page, opt-in page. Which was amazing. So I got a lot of opt-ins, and that's basically how I started my business, was organic marketing to a squeeze page to offer a lead bait. In my case, it was a niches list for drop shipping, for high-ticket drop shipping, and then I grew my business from there. It works for drop shipping as well if you want to offer like a buying guide or something like that. Shopify doesn't really have any great built-in landing page creators that are affordable. Leadpages is pretty affordable. I think it's around $30 a month, I believe so. Using my link in the description below, you can get a free 14-day trial, so definitely check that out. Let's check out the current pricing. Yeah, so standard's $37 a month. So it's one of the most affordable landing page builders out there that's actually really good and clean looking. And you can use a subdomain with it if you want, or just like buy a separate domain entirely. But just keep in mind the SEO impacts of that. But yeah, regardless of that, $37 a month gets you started. You can get 14 days free trial using my link below, ecommerceparadise.com/leadpages. Thank you so much if you go ahead and set up with my link. It includes one site, the landing pages, pop-ups, alert bars, unlimited traffic and leads, which is really cool. Free hosting, obviously, which is really nice. That's part of it. Lead notifications, which is good. And a bunch of integrations as well, so you can use email marketing. Like for instance, I used to use Aweber when I first started, and then I used Mailchimp when I first started, and then I switched to Aweber, and then I switched to ConvertKit when I got a little bit more advanced with the tagging and stuff like that. And I have reviews on each of those as well on my YouTube channel, so you can just kind of check those out and see which email marketing provider you want to start with. Mailchimp is great because it's completely free, so that's why I really like it. The thing about the Aweber is a little bit more complicated, and so I didn't really like it as much, but ConvertKit is also very clean and easy to use as well, so I like that a lot. Alright, so what I found here was a quick tour of Leadpages. I'll link this below, and it makes it really easy just for you guys to see what it looks like.
If you've been searching for a better way to see the website itself and know that what you're doing truly alert bars, Push is helping you convert.
So this is what it looks like. It's really easy to use.
Customers. Best of
you can see how like the widgets on the side are really simple, and when you drag and drop them, it like just shows up instantly. It's so easy.
You're in control, which means you can make unlimited changes.
So you can have all this primary navigation that goes to different landing pages that you can create with Leadpages, which is cool.
Changes to your website as your business needs change. Take a mobile responsive.
So you can have a bunch of different site templates here, which is really neat. I mean, you can build like a whole website using this platform.
Site template and customize it with your own images and content. All our template pages are preloaded with real-world marketing messages, so you're never starting from a blank slate. Add a page.
So I really like it. I think it's really cool. I think that it's easy, and it really helped me in the very beginning. So I'm going to link this below. You guys can watch this video yourself. I really, really like it. So definitely click the link in the description to sign up for Leadpages, ecommerceparadise.com/leadpages. Best of luck with your business, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.